My dear students, I come in the continuation of number system. In the previous video, I was completed the conversion of any number of base r into decimal number. In this video, I will continue this topic and I will start from conversion of decimal number into any number of base r. I means this formula helps you to convert any decimal number into binary number, octal number and hexadecimal number. I mean with this formula you can convert decimal number into binary number, into octal number, into hexadecimal number. Now let us start. Formula for integral part. Divide the given decimal number by base r successively until quotient becomes 0 and record remainders. Second point, collect all remainders taking last remainder as MSB, means most significant bit. Let us take an example. Convert decimal number 13 into binary number. Now we will we will implement the above formula as follows. Write base, number, quotient, remainder. Under the base column write 2 because we have to convert in binary number, so we will write here 2. If you want to convert in octal number, then you will have to write 8. If you want to convert in hexadecimal number, then you will write 16. Number is 13. Because here decimal number is 13, you can take any number. Quotient, and this is the remainder. Now 2 is divided by, now 13 is divided by 2, quotient will be 6, remainder will be 1. Again 6 would be divided by 2 and quotient will be 3, remainder will be 0. Again I will divide 3 by 2, then quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 1. Again we will divide 1 by this base 2, the quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. Now taking last remainder as MSB, or you can say from right side, from left side, this 1101, 1101, and this is the equivalent binary number of the given decimal number 13. Now let us see the rules for fractional part. In this rule, multiply the fractional number with the binary base r. In the above formula we were dividing, but for fractionals we will multiply successively and record the integral part. Collect all integral parts taking first as LSB, least significant bit. Now let us take an example. Convert the decimal number 0.675 into the binary number. Again we will implement this formula as this. We will write base, number, product, after multiplication, this is the integral part. Now we will divide the 0.675 by 2 and product will be 1.350. The integral part of this product is 1, so we will write this one here in the integral part column. Again the fractional part will 0.357. We will multiply this by base 2 and the integral, the whole product is 0.700. Here integral part is 0, so we will write 0 here. Again the number is 0.700 and this would be multiplied by this base 2, and the whole product is 1.400. The integral part is this one written here. Again we will multiply 0.400 by 2 and the whole product is 0.800. By here the integral part is 0. In this way we can proceed the multiplication. We will stop the multiplication because we are not getting the fractional part 00, so to the 4 till the 4 digits we multiply here. Now collect all these integral parts from upper to lower. 1 0 1 0. How will you write it? You will write first 1 0 1 0. It is 0.1010. This is the binary equivalent of this fractional decimal number. I would like to tell you this rule is for decimal number that can be converted into the binary, hexadecimal, octal. Here we gave example for the binary number. If you want to convert in octal, then the base would be 8 and multiply the given number by the base. If you want to convert in hexadecimal, then base will be 16 and multiply this number by the base 16 in this way. Now let us take the rule how we will convert octal number into the binary number. I mean octal to binary conversion. The octal number, the rule. The octal numbers can be converted into the equivalent binary numbers by replacing each octal digit by its 3-bit binary equivalent. Example 736, this is an octal number and I will convert it into the binary number. Then we will write the 3 binary equivalent of 7 in binary form, and this is 111. Now let us take 3. The binary equivalent of 3 is 011. We will write 011. The binary equivalent of 6 is 110, and combine all these digits together. In this way we can convert the octal number into the binary number. Now let us see the problem. How will you know? How it comes in knowledge? The 111 is the binary equivalent of the 7. This can be obtained by the previous rule that I have told you. Now let us see the binary to octal conversion. Let us see the rule. The binary numbers can be converted into the octal number by grouping in group of 3 binary bits, each starting binary numbers. For example, to left for integral part, start to right from fractional part. Let us see the example 001001010.01001001000. This is a binary number. I want to convert it into the octal number. How we will convert it? Starts grouping of 3 binary bit from left side for integral parts, left side from here 3 bit 3 bit 3 bit, from right side for fractional part 3 bit 3 bit 3 bit, and write the octal equivalent of 3 binary bits. This will be octal equivalent 1, it's 1, it's 2, point is here, it is 2, it is 2, and it is 4. In this way we convert this binary number into the octal number. Now let us see the rule hexadecimal to binary conversion. Hexadecimal numbers can be converted into equivalent binary number by replacing each hex digit by its equivalent 4 binary bits. For example 2F9A, this is a hexadecimal number, and I will convert it into the binary number by the above rule. Now write 4 binary bits for this 2, this is 0011. Write 4 binary bit for this F, this is 1111. write 4 binary bits for this 9, and it is 1001. Write 4 binary bits for this A, this is 1010. Now combine all these binary bits together, and it will be and this is the equivalent binary number of the given octal, the hexadecimal number. Now let us see the binary to octal conversion. It is very simple. It can be done by grouping the digits of binary numbers in the group of 4-bit starting at binary number. Let us see an example. This is a binary number 101001.0100101001. This is a binary number, and I have to convert it into the hexadecimal number. The rule is take the group of 4 binary bits. Start from left side for integral part. Start from right side towards right side, from right towards right side for fractional part. Then start from this 4-bit, from this side. Here listen carefully. To left for integral part mean from decimal towards left side, and to right for fractional part means from decimal towards right side. Take this point from this side for integral part, from this side for fractional part. Then this is the binary number. We have to convert into the hexadecimal number. Start to make group of 4 bits from here. This 4, then this 4, then this 4, and they write the hex equivalent of this 144, and make the 4-bit equivalent grouping of 4 bits for fractional parts from this to this 4, this 4, and it becomes 1. Write the 30 to make it group of 4 bit, and write the hexadecimal equivalent 4A and 8, and this is the hexadecimal equivalent of the given binary number. So this is in this way we can convert the number from one number system into the another number system. Thank you.